People, what's going on? I'm gonna put a muffler on this Yerf dog. And I found this Eddie Murphy movie in the garage. I've never even heard of it. It's a VHS tape. It's called Metro. 2 thumbs up. Never heard of this ever. Alright, maybe I'll watch it. Have any of y'all heard of it? Oh well. Anyways, I've been charging the Yerf dog battery right here because it's been all winter. You're only supposed to charge it for like about 6 hours, I think it said. And like I said, I'm making a muffler for it right here, and I've already drilled the holes in the bottom. And I used the aerosol can like this. It was like just a brake cleaner. This one is, you know, like carburetor cleaner, pretty long. All the other ones didn't seem to be very sturdy. I saw people doing it with like Coke cans. I had to open up the top right here because it wouldn't fit over the tip there. Then I drilled some holes right there, all these holes. It was a solid pipe at one point. But it's freaking loud, and you can't run it around here in the city. You know, or you get pissed off people, your neighbors. So you have to quiet it down. And then I've got some steel wool to put here in it. I don't have enough, but I've heard people, hey Mr. Ant, use Coke cans. I tried a Coke can on it one time, but they're just too flimsy. They might work on a dirt bike, but they won't work on this thing. It's a 150cc. Hey, Mr. Ant. Yeah, my daughter was drinking this and left it outside, but I used a Coke can once, put the holes in the bottom, put the steel wool in it, drove it about 200 yards, and that thing was blown to pieces. You know? So, anyways, I'm going to paint this can right here. Like I said, I've already drilled it out. And this will hold it on. This is actually from an exhaust. And use this to hold it on. Right there. Yeah, that should work.
Make a little bit paint on it, I think. I think it'll burn that off, but it will. I'm gonna do it temporarily. Put some paint on it. Won't stick to this shiny surface.
So how's it going? Yeah? Doing this during the pandemic. Yeah. I'm not gonna buy a muffler, but you can buy one for like 16 bucks. I just don't know if it'll mount on here. So I got that wire I put on there too. Right there. That holds it. I can take that off. That's the battery charger. Yeah, it's quick dried on my fingertips. Pretty dry. I'm gonna put the steel wool in there in the can. Yeah, stuff just going to the ground. You can see it probably. clamp that holds it on. That is a muffler clamp. Start it up. Show you the before. How freaking loud this thing is. You can even run this around without pissing people off without that muffler. Alright. Yep. Little gas tank. The guy gave me this, it's a friend of mine. He trims goat hoofs for a living. And these were used. These are freaking sharp. I got another pair over there, ARS. He trims goats' hooves after they grow. Believe it or not, that thing, freaking, they could cut your finger off. Nice thought. Now let's see how loud this thing is. Wow, people. That's pretty loud. It's too loud. I can't do that around here. All right. Looks cool though with the holes in it. That's how I was gonna just do it. Then I drove my dad around in it out in the country, and he's like, God, that thing's loud. He's like, my ears are ringing. After we rode around for just a little while, I was like, oh, well, that's not good. Okay. How dry are you? It's pretty dry. That. Hope that pipe's not too hot. Ooh, it's a little freaking hot right now. We drove it just a little bit. Well. Ooh, that looks good. It's a fine muffler. And a fine little holder I've got there holding it. What y'all think? It works. That's how I've had it. I've had this on there. Okay, so I might need to tighten up the bolts and go up to the engine. It'd be too damn hot right now though. Yeah. I'll deal with that later. Cool. So, here's the new muffler. Y'all there? Okay, you're still recording. There it is. Got fine muffler. Let's do an after test now. Well, these bolts broke off the other day or came loose. That one, and then that one. That one didn't. So I tightened them up, put some Loctite red on that one, and then not on that one. Hopefully they vibrated off. All right, here we go. Here's the after. Nice. Hear that? That sounds good. Wow. Quiet. Now, that's bearable. Yep. That's bearable. My neighbors won't be pissed off at me. That guy's probably on a conference call next door. He's still walking around in his backyard. At least he can hear now. Nice. All right. Oh. I don't see him over there. Oh well. There we go. Nice black high performance muffler on this Nerf Dog 150cc. Yep. There it is, folks. Incredible. No, it is. It's not too bad. It was only $100. They're normally like $300 or $400 or $500 used. There's the disc brake on the back, which wasn't working when I got it. It's working great now. It's clogged up. Okay, before and after. Wow. Now it's even better with that steel wool in it. All right, y'all have a good day. Bye.